Hello everyone, if you're trying to download Fortnite and you keep getting this error, install failed with error code MD-DL-403, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Fortnite easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Cloudflare WARP on here, and then you're going to go on to this link, and then you're going to click download latest stable release under Windows, and then you're going to download this Cloudflare WARP software up, and once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after it's done installing, now what you're going to do is you're going to open it up, but do not connect it yet. First, you're going to go ahead and close Epic Games Launcher on your computer. So if you have it running, just click exit on here and then open Cloudflare WARP up, go into the settings icon, go into 1.1.1.1 with WARP, and then connect Cloudflare WARP up. Wait for it to connect. Once it's done connecting, open Epic Games Launcher on your computer. And here you're going to go into your library, and then you're going to click download on any game you want. So I'm going to click download on Fortnite, and you'll see that my game will start downloading correctly. I will not get that MD-DL-403 error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.